Everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name is Sanjay Timal Sinha, lawyer by profession. In Nepal, many people are fighting for citizenship and still struggling. There are many examples that person have filed a case to Supreme Court and got citizenship. But a serious question arises: how many of people have such privileges? So, Human Foundation is trying to create awareness against statelessness, teaching people their rights and legal ways to achieve them through whatever ways possible. Today, I want to share an inspiring story that highlights the incredible work being done by Human Foundation to fight for justice and citizenship rights in Nepal. There are many examples of people not having citizenship in Nepal, and recently Human Foundation have helped and succeeded in getting citizenship after filing writ in Supreme Court. The struggle for citizenship can be particularly challenging for many individuals due to complex and sometimes unjust legal requirements. This issue is highlighted in the very recent case filed in Supreme Court with the help of Human Foundation, that is Rasplin Gautam versus Government of Nepal, which exemplifies the difficulties faced by individuals when the legal framework fails to accommodate their unique circumstances. Rasmin Gautam is a member of Human Foundation who took simple attorney of two brothers who were struggling for citizenship. They grew up in a challenging situation. Their father had passed away before securing his citizenship. Because of this, the brother faced a heartbreaking dilemma. They were denied citizenship themselves. Here is where their story takes a turn. Their mother had no idea about the identity of their father's family because he had never shared those details with her. Despite the fact that their father's name was recorded in the boys' school registration, they had no way to trace any of these relatives. When they went to district administration office to apply for citizenship through their mother, their application was rejected. The rules in Nepal deeply rooted in patriarchy. Human rights activists have fought for citizenship from mother, but it is possible only if women announce that the father is unknown, and if not true, she have to face the legal consequences. Even though their mother has willing to take responsibility, the bureaucratic system had barriers that were hard to overcome. Without citizenship, the brother faced numerous obstacles, like they couldn't work, study, or access many rights guaranteed by the Constitution and human rights laws. Their situation seemed almost impossible to resolve until Human Foundation stepped in. On June 18, 2024, Human Foundation, with its commitment to human rights, helped them file a writ of certiorari and prohibition against the government of Nepal. This legal action was crucial in challenging the denial of their citizenship. The next day, court held a preliminary hearing and issued a show cause order demanding an explanation from the government as to why citizenship had not been granted. Just 2 months later, a remarkable thing happened. Once the government officers received the show cause order, they acted swiftly. They were finally granted their citizenship, allowing them to reclaim their rights and build their futures. This case isn't unique. Many people in Nepal are suffering from statelessness due to similar bureaucratic hurdles. The court and hiring law, statelessness due to similar bureaucratic hurdles, the process of going to court and hiring lawyer can be daunting and expensive. That's why Human Foundation is dedicated to untying with journalists, activists, NGOs, government bodies, artists, and lawyers to spread awareness about statelessness and guide people through the legal process. Through our efforts, we are making a real difference by providing support and education to those who need it most. We are using social media to share knowledge and empower individuals to fight for their rights. Let's see some legal framework and barriers. Number one is patriarchal bias in citizenship laws. In many countries, including Nepal, citizenship laws are often rooted in patriarchal traditions. These laws typically require the citizenship be conferred through paternal lineage. This means that child's right to citizenship is predominantly determined by their father's status rather than their mother's. In above case, although their mother was a citizen, the lack of citizenship from the father, who had not obtained citizenship before his death, led to the brothers being denied their own citizenship. Number 2 is requirements for providing paternity. Citizenship laws may require proof of paternity or paternal identity, which can be problematic if the father's details are unknown or if the father has passed away without securing citizenship. In today's case, although father's identity was recorded in the school register, but he did not have any known relatives or citizenship himself. This created a legal limbo as the brothers could not provide sufficient documentation or proof of their father's citizenship status. Number 3 would be complicated bureaucratic procedures. Navigating the bureaucracy of citizenship application can be arduous, hard, especially for those who lack legal representation or access to resources. In today's case, the district administration office rejected their application because of the complexities surrounding their father's identity and citizenship status. The legal system's requirement for extensive documentation and proof often place undue burdens on applicants, particularly those who are marginalized or less informed about the legal process. Similarly, another is gender discrimination in citizenship transmission. The legal stipulations often discriminate against the transmission of citizenship through maternal lineage. Despite their mother's citizenship, victims were unable to benefit from it because the law mandated that a mother must declare the father's identity as unknown for the citizenship to be granted through her. This discriminatory practice underscores a systematic issue where maternal contributions to citizenship are undervalued or disregarded. And in number 5, we can say lack of awareness and legal support. Many individuals facing the statelessness are unaware of their legal rights or the process available to them. Without access to legal aid or support organizations like Human Foundation, people often struggle to navigate the complexities of legal system. The cost of hiring legal professionals and understanding legal jargon can be prohibitive for many, leaving them in a state of legal limbo and disenfranchisement. Well, in today's case, vividly illustrates these challenges after being denied of citizenship due to bureaucratic and legal barriers. Victim, with the help of Human Foundation, challenged the government's decision through legal means. By filing a writ of certiorari and prohibition, he was able to confront the legal system and seek redress. This action not only highlighted the flaws in the citizenship laws but also proved the way for resolution and restored the brothers' citizenship rights. In conclusion, the barriers faced by stateless people in obtaining citizenship underscore a broader issue of legal and bureaucratic inadequacies. Patriarchal biases, complex documentation requirements, and discriminatory practices contribute to a system that often fails to accommodate those in unique or challenging circumstances. Addressing these issues requires legal reforms, increased awareness, and better support system to ensure that all individuals can access their fundamental rights. To address these systematic issues and support those affected, it is crucial to advocate for legal reforms, support organizations working on these issues, and raise awareness about the challenges faced by stateless individuals. By doing so, we can contribute to creating a more inclusive and equitable legal system. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope this story inspires you as much as it inspires us. In our next video, we will share more stories of those affected by statelessness and on ongoing work to address this critical issue. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. Together, we can make difference.